If you're adding chlorine into your pool without adding this crucial chemical, then you are literally throwing your money away. This is cyanuric acid, also known as CYA or pool stabilizer. This acts as a sunscreen for your chlorine. Without the CYA, the UV rays from the sun will destroy up to 90% of your free chlorine in just 2 hours. So, if you have to add chlorine into your pool multiple times a week, it means that you don't have a CYA or that your CYA level are too low. By keeping your CYA level right around 30 to 50 parts per million, it helps protect your chlorine from UV rays so it can actually do its job, which is killing bacteria and keeping the algae away. For saltwater pool, you want to bump that level between 60 and 80 parts per million. Just make sure that you don't overdo it because too much CYA can cause chlorine lock. So make sure to test your water first, then use a pool calculator to get the exact measurement that you need for your pool. To test the water, you can use a test strip like this, but I prefer a liquid test because I always have trouble comparing colors on the test strips. Then to know how much to add, just use a pool calculator like Pool Math. Just enter your pool information and your target CYA level. The instruction says to apply directly to the water, but my experience tells me not to because the granules will settle in the bottom of your pool floor. You can add it slowly to the skimmer if your pool has one, but if you have an above ground pool, I will use the sock method. Basically, use a sock or any cloth you can to hold the filter and granules so that only the dissolved granules gets released into your pool water. You want to just fill your sock like this, then hang it in front of your return jet and leave it there for a couple of hours. After that, you can squeeze the rest out if granule still remains on the sock. Then, wait at least 48 hours before testing the cyanuric acid levels again. I hope that this is helpful to you. If you want more pool tips, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. You can also leave your questions or comments below. I try to respond to questions as soon as I can to help you out. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.